how to find settings on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find settings on Samsung Internet Browser. First thing, open the app and then click these three lines in the bottom corner. Click on it and click settings. Here you will find it, and here you can find settings, and you can manage anything you want and go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.